Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find KCB M-Pesa services from My OneApp by Safaricom. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so M-Pesa services were moved to My OneApp by Safaricom, and to get your KCB M-Pesa services, you need to have this My OneApp. Once you have it, tap on it and log in with your M-Pesa PIN to get started. Once you are here, now scroll down until you see My Finances. Now under My Finances, we have quite a number of services that are available here, but for you to get KCB M-Pesa services, tap on View All. This will list all the services that are available on this, and go to Financial Services, then scroll down and you should see KCB M-Pesa. From here, you can proceed and start using your KCB M-Pesa straight from this app. So that's how you can access your KCB M-Pesa services from My OneApp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.